In this video, we're going to take a look at Zcal, Tidycal, and Calendly to see which calendar is the best. So first of all, we have Zcal that will allow you to create your custom calendar. You can basically keep track of everything you need to do. And if we go to pricing, as you can see, it's free forever. And you have all these integrations, unlimited links, unlimited calendar accounts, and much more. And then you have the paid plan, which basically give you all these benefits such as SMS reminders. So we're gonna get automatic test reminders, and basically it's gonna cost you only $10 per month, which is not that bad. And if you go with the annual plan, it's gonna be $7. Then we have Tidycal, which will do the same thing basically. And if we go to pricing, we can see that again it's free forever. And as you can see here, you can get this deal, which is $39 and pay once to get a lifetime deal on app Sumo. Now the last one, which is the most popular one, and I think in my opinion the best one, is Calendly, because it has so many integrations and it's so used that it's one of the best. Now as you can see here, you have the free plan, and here you have one event type. You can connect only one calendar, so if you have a Google Calendar, you can basically connect only one. But if you want something premium and you can afford the paid plan, go with Calendly. If you don't have that, you can go and use Zcal, the free version of it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.